just when I thought I was done traveling, I end up getting back at it. This time, I want to check out the most remote island in the world. Here. Right here. This island. Easter Island in Chile. It's gonna take forever to get to, but I think it's gonna be worth it. Anyway, time to pack the drone. Speaking of drones, it's been 7 days since I announced the drone giveaway. So here's how I'm gonna choose the winner. There were 1,606 comments in the comment section. I'm going to generate a random number from 1 to 1,606. Boom! Number 1,600, 1,606, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And you are in the Philippines. Rodford Grey, you're gonna get this drone, this controller, and a charger. Alright, I gotta head to the airport. Wish me luck, I really need it. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.